I hope you all are well. Today we are going to start our first chapter of chemistry, matter in our surroundings. So basically what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has mass and volume is called matter. Means a substance occurring in nature or coming in use in day-to-day life is called matter. Everything in this universe is made up of matter. For example, the food that we eat, stones, clouds, plants, and animals. Even a small drop of water is also considered as a matter because all these have mass and volume. Now, according to Indian philosophers, matter is mainly made up of five basic elements, Panch Tattva. These elements named as earth, air, water, fire, and sky. A matter may be available in varieties of shape, size, color, and odor. Now, what is the physical nature of matter? They are mainly two physical nature of matter. First one is the matter is made up of particles. And how can we conclude that matter is made up of particles? We have an activity in your NCERT book, activity 1.1. What is in this activity? First, take a 100 ml beaker, fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. Now dissolve some salt या sugar with the help of a glass rod in this beaker. Do you observe any change in water level after dissolving the sugar in the solution? No, there is no change in the water level. From this, what do you think has happened to the salt? The salt dissolves in water. And where does it disappear? The salt particles get into spaces between water particles. Does the level of water change? No, there is no change in the water level. So, after performing the activity, we observe that there is no change in water level and also the salt get dissolved in water and also the salt particles get into the spaces between the water particles. So, from this activity, we can conclude that matter is made up of particles. Matter is made up of particles. Now, the second property is how small are these particles of matter? How small are these particles of matter? The particles of matter are very small and we can conclude it from an activity, activity 1.2. And what is in this activity? Just take 100 ml of water. Approximately 10 ml of this solution and clear water. This way, keep dilute and do you observe and the water still colored? Yes, the water remains. So we can say that the solution remains colored. Millions of tiny particles. So from this are very small these particles of matter are very small. Now, what is the characteristics of particles of matter? From activity 1.1 and 1.2, we may also conclude that the particles of one type of matter get into the spaces between the particles of other matter. This shows that there is enough space between particles of matter. So this is the first. In activity 1.3, incense stick in a corner of your class, go near it, smell. So we have to go quite. Now light smell sitting at a distance can be felt even move faster temperature. 1.4, take water. Now put a drop of blue along the second beaker. Leave them and after that record your observation. Immediately after adding the ink starts spreading. Immediately after adding a drop of honey. What does it take for the color of ink? The color of ink spread. 1.4, that drops slowly disappear within drop a crystal of copper sulfate or a potassium permanganate into a glass of hot water and another containing cold water, and do not stir the solution. Just allow the crystals to settle at the bottom. After this, what do you observe? Just above the solid crystal in the glass, the solid crystals of KMnO4 start diffusing, and as the time passes, the particles of solid diffuse throughout the water, and particles of solid and liquid mix into each other, and this mixing increases with temperature because kinetic energy of particles increases with temperature. What do you mean by kinetic energy? When any object or the particles are in motion, the energy they possessed that time is called the kinetic energy. We increase in temperature of the solution तो inactive is called diffusion. And 1.5, we color ink on its own. Different types of matter on their own is called the effect of temperature on the faster due to increase in kinetic. Thank you.